Belfast Building and Roofing offers you a wide range of services.
Hi there, James G here. Just a wee sort of 10 by 10 utility roof in Dundonald. In a bad way, you know, but it's not the end of the world. And this was all sorted for less than £1,000. There we are. We started about 10 minutes. I'll get the rest of this up. Okay, so we've got that crap off and got the deck on now. I'll stick some felt on. Okay, so that's all the felt and trims on. Now time for some aluminium gear. You can see here where it goes on gold. When it goes on gold and then turns silver. You know, so we'll just do the seams first and then we'll double back on it. Okay, so there we are. It's nothing special like, but you know, 10 by 10. 3-figure number instead of a 4-figure number. Nicely finished off. That'll last for a long time. Give it another coat. 3 or 4 years time. Give it another some more aluminium silver reflecting. Okay, so I mean, if you look after your felt roof and you keep coating it, it'll go on for years and years and years to come. Just make sure it's bitumen based aluminium solar reflectant paint.